What's going on, everyone? Jack here from Half Chrome, and this is the Mobula8 HDZero. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this guy in less than 5 minutes. Starting with the flight controller, this is the HDZero AIO 15, and this is an upgrade from the other all-in-one board with HDZero. It has 2S capabilities. I believe it even has 3S capabilities, 15 amp ESC with bursts up to 18. So it is better and more powerful, and you can do more with this flight controller. The ESCs are on BlueJ firmware. This is built-in ELRS serial receiver, and you have a power switchable VTX up to 200 milliwatts. Our motors here are 1102 13,500 kV, and they are brushless motors, of course, tri-blade props, and they do plug in on the bottom.
Hey, if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Love to have you back.
The camera here is the upgraded Lux camera. Now, HDZero makes a couple of different cameras that I've tested. I did a review on the Lux versus the Eco cameras, so if you want to see that, you're going to have to look for that. But the Lux is the better of the two cameras. Now, it's only 33 grams, so it's obviously pretty light, and you can fly it on either 450s or 550s. A little bit more punch on the 450s, a little more flight time with the 550s, but how much really depends on how you fly. Now here's something that is interesting. This Mobula8 is actually the same size as the Mobula7. I took my 7 off and put it on an 85 millimeter frame. So no, this is not 85 millimeters. It's actually only 80. 85 is obviously a little bit bigger. I actually took my Mobula7 and put it on an 85. And I think that's going to be confusing to people, right? Because typically the Mobula7 was on a 75 millimeter frame, and you can see this 80 is just a little bit bigger. So the Mobula7 and the Mobula8, at least the last two versions from Happy Model, run on the same frame, which is 80 millimeters. I wish it would have been an 85. You get a little bit more power, a little bit more flight time with the larger propellers, but we'll see. I think if they release something with a DJI form factor, they probably bump it up a notch. Now, because it's HDZero, you're going to need a pair of HDZero goggles or an HDZero receiver. In order to view the video, you cannot use analog, you cannot use DJI or walk channel or anything like that. It's got to be HDZero. And because it's ELRS, you need an ELRS capable receiver. It's 2.4 gig, and this is my new T15. Currently flying with this. This is a great radio, but there are plenty of different options out there. So my thoughts on flying this 2S Whoop is I need to do more 2S Whoop flying. It is a lot of fun. I typically stick to 1S Whoops. They're not as powerful. When you get to 2S, you get more juice. While I like to fly a lot inside, I actually didn't even put a throttle cut and was able to fly this guy indoors as well. Now, outside is where it really shines. You can do more dives and loops and rolls and things like that. So yeah, 2S Whoops, pretty fun. Now, if you find the 2S power is too much indoors, you can always dial it back, put a power cut, a power limiter. There's lots of different things you can do. I've made videos like that, so if you want to check it out, I'll throw that in the description down below. Overall, I'm a big fan of tiny whoops, and I think HDZero is the way to go if you're flying a tiny whoop. It is the lightest system. The picture quality is pretty darn good, especially if you have this Lux camera. So the Mobula8 is a win if you ask me. I think it's a great addition to my tiny whoop collection, and I'll probably be reaching for this guy more often than I initially anticipated. It's a good little quad. I suggest you take a look. Banggood just sent me a coupon for an extra $10 off, so if you're interested, I think that brings the price down to about 220 bucks. Link is in description down below. Hey, thanks for watching. Good luck, everyone, and happy flying.